ಅಕ್ಷತಾ
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ
ಸರ್? ಏನೋ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಝೂಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡು. ಇದು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ತೋರಿಸು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡು.
ವೇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್
ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೋರಿಸು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದ? ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಶೂರಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.
ಪೇಜ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತನಕ ತೋರಿಸು. ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತನಕ ತೋರಿಸು. ಇದಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಬಿಡು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Calculate the angle of incidence. Calculate the angle of incidence on a flat plate collector. On a flat plate collector situated at Mumbai. Situated at Mumbai.
Sir, repeat ಮಾಡಿ sir. I'm sorry.
Calculate the angle of incidence on a flat plate collector situated at Mumbai. Situated at Mumbai. Situated at Mumbai. You take down this. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Situated at Mumbai, you take down that data. That is 19.07 degree north latitude and 72.87 degree east. That is the longitude. At hour 9:30 AM IST. Hour IST. 9:30 hour IST. The angle of inclination. The angle of inclination of a flat plate collector. The angle of inclination of a flat plate collector to the horizontal is 11 degree. The angle of inclination of a flat plate collector to the horizontal is 11 degree. Is 11 degree. On the day June 12th. On the day June 12th. Full stop. Where the flat plate collector is where the normal to the flat plate collector is facing due south. Where the normal to the flat plate collector is facing due south. Full stop. Okay, students, what is the question they have asked you? They have asked you to calculate angle of incidence on a flat plate collector located in Mumbai, right? Which equation you will be using to calculate this angle of incidence? ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? The equation you will be using is cos theta is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin delta ಅಲ್ಲ? Yes, no, ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Cos delta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 2 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೈನ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಬರೋದ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನಾಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ್ರೂ. ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪು ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, cos theta is equal to sin delta ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿನಾ ತಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
cos theta is equal to sin phi into sin delta cos theta plus cos delta sin beta.
sin phi ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos phi ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ sin delta cos beta cos delta sin beta and ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋದು cos delta cos beta, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, cos delta cos beta ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin delta sin beta. ಇದು ನಾವು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಗಾಮಾ ಒಮೆಗಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? sin ಗಾಮಾ sin ಒಮೆಗಾನ, cos ಗಾಮಾ cos ಒಮೆಗಾನ. ಅಕ್ಷತಾ
yes sir.
cos delta sin
cos omega cos the first one ge cos omega cos cos gamma
sin gamma
cos gamma
this cos omega will come here, right?
yes sir.
And this cos gamma ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
cos gamma sin beta.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇದಿದ್ದು?
yes sir. yes sir.
okay, now sin phi cos phi ಆಗಿದೆ. now these two term, that is cos delta sin beta will come here. these two term will come here, cos delta sin beta. Remaining two terms will be with sin only.
sin gamma sin omega.
Sin gamma sin omega.
Omega.
Okay. This is the formula we are supposed to use. Now they have asked us to calculate theta, angle of incidence on a flat plate collector at this time on this day, and the inclination of the flat plate collector is 11 degree, and they have given the location. What will be the phi? What will be the phi?
ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇನು ಅಂತ. See, from the given data, we are supposed to find out theta. Is phi, have they provided the phi latitude? This refers to 19.07 degree north. Koಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. First we'll list out which are the variables we need. Phi, delta, beta, gamma, omega, and delta. Delta, can we find out delta? They have given the day, so we can find out delta. Beta, already they have given beta, and this gamma, have they given the value of gamma? Okay, class room ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. See, in the problem they have given the normal to the this flat plate, normal to the surface, it is facing due south. They have said that when it is facing due south, means gamma will be equal to 0. Suppose if they are given some value, it is making some 20 degree, 20 degree, we would have taken that value for that. Means the normal to the surface, to which angle it faces with respect to the south, south will be equal to 0. So it is 0. And omega is the our angle. Can we calculate our omega? Yes. Okay, we will start one by one. June 12th. Okay, now phi will be equal to 19.07 degree north means it is positive value. Suppose if it was given as south, means in the southern hemisphere, then phi we would have taken negative. As it is in the northern hemisphere, it will be positive, plus 19 degree. Now omega will be equal to, see, you have that formula in your book, and they are given with respect to IST. Given with respect to IST. IST means you can take it as Indian Standard Time. You can take it as Indian Standard Time. You cannot take it as international because it is with respect to the location, Indian Standard Time. So omega will be equal to 360 divided by 24 in the bracket 12 hours minus 930. Our omega will be equal to 15 into 2.5. I wrote as 2.5, but it is 2 hours 30 minutes. 1 second. Omega will be equal to 37.5 degrees centigrade, and already they have given gamma is equal to 0, beta equal to 11 degree, and we need to find out delta. How to find out delta? How to find out the delta? Formula ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಮರೆತು
23 23.45 sine
Delta is equal to 23
23 point
sine of
sine 360 by 365
365
284 plus n.
284 plus n, where n is equal to number of days. So June 12 will be equal to 31 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 150, 150,
166.
163, right? So therefore delta will be equal to, calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
23.115.
23.115 degrees. We have all the values. We know what is phi, gamma, sorry, omega, gamma, beta, delta. Now we will just substitute in this formula and we will get what is cos theta. So theta will be equal to inverse of whatever the value we have got. We will get the theta in terms of degree. So shall we substitute that in this formula? We will substitute and we will get the answer.
23.15, sir.
Theta is equal to
Delta. 23.15 delta.
delta ಎಷ್ಟು?
23.15.
23.15. Okay. Cos theta will be equal to sin of, oh, answer ನಾನೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಾ? What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this will be equal to 1. So we will close the double bracket there. Then cos of 19.07 degree. Again cos omega, cos, that is cos 0, that will be equal to 1. Cos 0 is always 1 plus sin of 0 degree. This will become 0. So the entire term will be 0. So this entire term will be 0 when it is multiplied by sin 0. So cos theta will be equal to, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಬೇಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ನವೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ನವೀನ್ ಯಾಕೋ ನವೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ನವೀನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನವೀನ್ ಇದನ್ನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನವೀನ. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಏನೋ ಮೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
$1.026.
1.026.
26. ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
1.028 correct guess.
1.028. Okay, therefore theta will be equal to cos inverse 0.28. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಥೀಟಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು
ಸರ್ ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ
ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ
cannot be infinity. The answer must be around 40 to 50. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಮೇ ಬಿ
ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ ಹುಡುಗರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ.
So 37.81 ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, 37.81 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
37.81 ಯಾವುದು ಥೀಟಾನಾ?
ಥೀಟಾ.
ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ?
Cos theta 0.79.
Cos theta
0.79.
0.79. So theta will be equal to
37.81.
37.81 degree, or that can be kept as 37 degree, some 54 minutes, maybe 54 minutes. But ignore what miss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is negative sign. Substitution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್
ಹ?
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಸರಿ 0.77
2.77 ಬರ್ತಾ ಈಗ.
38.
ಈಗ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡೋದು. Okay, you only found that we did some mistake maybe in the calculation using especially these brackets, all those things. Only the chances where you can go mistake is only that one. Means we may be missing some brackets, or we may be sometimes putting sign instead of cos or cos instead of sin. That is, if you just take care of this, the answer will be correct. See, I think that the chances has reduced giving the problem compared to earlier time. Earlier, especially in this subject, they used to give compulsory problem for 12 marks. Nowadays, the chances are less, but we will not take any chance. If they give the problem, you must not lose the marks. This is the way how do we calculate. See, we will do one more problem, very similar problem, but there will be one small changes will be there. Okay, you take, calculate the angle of incidence of a, calculate the angle of incidence of a beam ray, calculate the angle of incidence of a beam ray on a flat plate collector, on a flat plate collector located in Pune, located in Pune. Okay, I will write the details of Pune. Located in Pune. Located in Pune on December 21st, on December 21st at 9-hour LAT, at 9-hour LAT, at 9-hour LAT. The slope angle of flat plate collector is 13 degree. And surface is making due south, and surface is making due south, and surface is making due south. Full stop. I think the problem is same, only they have changed the location. Correct, Allah? Now you think that it's very simple and very easy to solve this problem. Yes, it's simple and easy only, but only the changes we can see here is, one is location they have changed, and with respect to delta, we calculate the delta, they will change the date. So delta will change, n will be equal to 354 5, then will be 355. And beta they have given and gamma they have given, but now they have given 9 hour LEAT. In the previous problem, it was IST, whereas in this problem, it is LEAT. LEAT means local occurrent time. See, we know that our time zone is with respect to Calcutta. See, we know there is a globe. Earth is there, the North Pole is there, and there is a South Pole is there, and they have divided this into 360 degrees, and they have made it. One is for latitude, the horizontal lines they have made, and for longitude, they have made vertically. They have divided the globe with respect to the degrees, and to make it simple, we can say they have made it for equal 24 parts. Equal number of 24 parts they have made it. And for each one part, it takes 1 hour of time. And that will be equal to 15 degrees. That we have understood. See, and when they give the time zone, there is a one is which passes through GMT, Greenwich, that place GMT. With respect to that, for rotation of every 15 degree, it will be 1 hour. And for India, this GMT line is passing through Calcutta. See, actually, that is not with respect to hour, that is with respect to 5 hours 30 minutes. They say our Indian standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes, means it is around 75 degree, not 75 degree, 82.5 degree, 82.5 degree from GMT. So that line is passing through near Calcutta in India. None of other lines are passing through the Indian country, and that is the one line passing through the country, and that our time is adjusted to with respect to that time zone. That is so in the international time scale, we make it as plus 530. Even when you set up your computer or set up your mobile phone, whatever it may be, you take that time standard plus 530 hour, that is Calcutta, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, that time zone you will select. Means all our country time is based on that particular time zone, that is the line passing through the or very near to Calcutta. Now they call it as Kolkata. Okay, if the continent is bigger, like America, there are some 3 time zones, not 1. Because the area of that country is very large. Also, you take countries like Australia, like Russia, they are the very big countries, and they have multiple time zones. America is having 3 time zones. So now, whatever we talk, 9 hours, that is with respect to the Calcutta. But actually, the time starts if we take, if with respect to my location, if I take with respect to my location, the time will be different when compared to the time zone. Because when they set this time, they said that when the sun is above our head, it is 12 o'clock. Above our head is 12 o'clock. So when we take Indian time standard at afternoon 12 o'clock, the sun will be above that. I am not talking of the zenith angle. Zenith angle is different and 12 o'clock is different. Although they are together, in the zenith, the sun will be exactly above our head. Means there is no shadow. That is zenith. But there may be shadow at afternoon 12 o'clock.